that shows, isn't it? The winner of today's trophy, the John Williams, is Gwyn with 2 fish. And
Well, that's
wait a
it.
minute. Oh, I'm no good at
Come over
this
here and
one.
have pictures taken.
Stand by, young Gwyn. I've got help plates.
There's no point me looking, otherwise he'd be the blind leading the blind.
So you keep touching the wrong thing. Come on.
I'm going to film you. This is too good to miss, this is.
Yeah, I know.
did actually.
Yeah, this is how not to do it.
I'm bollocks.
I'll have to edit the sound.
Not so good.
Yes, it's, yes.
I thought
That's all you had to say.
Bit of an improvement, I think, last year.
Yeah, that was not the last
His
time.
mobility is getting better.
Yeah.
He got married in May.
I know, Joe's seen him up in...
Yes, the weekend of his wedding.
Everyone at the
Because
top.
they couldn't go away on
Oh, that's one till I'm out.
the Celtic Manor.
My arm's starting to ache now. I'll
Go on,
send you
carry
my
on.
pictures.
It won't go.
Right.
Win with
Nice.
2 fish.
Oh, they're in the bag there.
I don't know what he's done with it.
Well, I'm so pleased to give you this as you've waited so long.
I have to say, I'm bitterly disappointed with the turnout. Bitterly disappointed. But I will tell you in all honesty, it cannot detract from the pride I got for getting my name on this trophy.
You only got it for 3 minutes. I take it off you now.
Absolutely fantastic.
It's definitely well, I'm glad you finally got it. And I'm proud of all of you that have. Never mind the others that didn't.
Oh,
So
right.
they're the ones that missed it.
That's fantastic.
Now, when you put it down, Gwen, don't tilt it because the top will slide off.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's not coming off his pin. And I haven't fetched the little one. What a
Ah,
I don't even know. Have you got the little ones? I don't even know if they're in existence, Joel. I'm sorry.
I had 7. I don't have but I shall definitely get you one.
That's the thing.
Oh no, you've got to have it. You have it.
But you'll never ever own it because it'll be in headquarters in the cabinet.
Yeah.
I'm taking that home.
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm going to have it engraved.
Then you can take it.
Can I get it back?
Yes. Yes, you can.
No, you're going to have a small one.
I don't want a small one, I want that one.
You're not having that. You're not having
Couldn't
it.
smile it in their quarters.
Now, also, for the heaviest fish,
Yeah.
it's that miserable
Well,
fish.
it's in the case.
Same person.
You can have tea with
Can I
you.
take this one home, Chris?
No,
No.
That goes to their quarters.
that goes to being engraved. And then it goes back to headquarters.
Thank you.
That way we don't lose anything. But
I am incredibly proud.
due to Christine's generosity, you'll have a small one as well.
Yes. And you love the small one,
I've
right?
already got one of those.
We're talking about the glass squid. This lady's present here.
she's ruining my film, this is.
Thank you very, very much.
If you haven't got a sense of humour, you shouldn't have brought the camera with
Right.
a piece of it.
Never mind, we're glad that you've turned.
Yes, yeah.
We're proud of you.
I gotta get you in there now.
Oh, you don't want me in there.
Well,
Bring the camera.
Oh, somebody just spoiled it.
I got a face for radio.
That is the fishing I've ever done in my life.
That was difficult. They said, right? That was difficult to me. They didn't want to know.
Never mind, they're
Yes,
proud of
make sure he spells it right.
Now because. Oh, well
And
done.
for the benefit of the tape, that was Mr. Field.
It's not been the best thing.
It's excellent. Well done.
And thanks for emailing.
If I leave you my email address, can you send me?
I can, yes. Yeah, I'll take it off, you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't drive. My phone makes and receives calls. That's all it does.
That's like mine. You've got to pedal mine.
Yeah.
But I
And
got
I'm not allowed a better one because the last one reacted badly to the washing machine.
They do.
They don't do well in washing machines.
no. Oh, when you drop them.
Or if you fall in the ligament teeth. Right? They don't do well from that.
No.
Best part about it was,
Oh, damn.
killed the fish in the boat. The trouble was, no one said he had to be in the boat.
The Scotsman, he looked at us and he said, "Are you going to claim that?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Nothing in the rules said we both got to be in the boat." To set my jacket off.
I was really excited to get back in the boat for payment.
Yeah, I saw the
That's the
swam
biggest set of pegs you've ever had in his life.
short till it was shallow and
He's in his
jumped
green
on the
boat.
boat and carried on fishing. But it get very cold.